What if I told you that the one component you trust every single day, the silent machine that brings your car to life with a single turn of the key, is slowly dying because of the very habits you repeat every day? You think your battery is weak. You think 1 to 2 years of lifespan is normal. But what if the real problem isn't the battery at all? Today we reveal the hidden truth behind why most car batteries fail early and how you might be damaging yours without even realizing it. Car batteries only last 1 to 2 years. We have heard this phrase countless times, at mechanic workshops, among friends, or even from our own experience. But let's break the illusion. A modern car battery, especially a lead-acid battery, is designed to last 3 to 5 years under normal conditions. Brands like Exide, Osaka Batteries, and AGS do not manufacture products meant to die within a year. So, what is the real problem? The truth is harsh. Your battery doesn't die suddenly, it slowly deteriorates. Every time you start your engine, the battery releases a powerful burst of energy. That small black box under your hood creates a chemical reaction, converting lead and sulfuric acid into electricity. It's controlled power, precision, engineering perfection. But here's the problem: short drives. If you drive your car for only 5 to 10 minutes daily, your battery never fully recharges. The alternator needs time to restore lost energy. Without proper recharge cycles, the battery remains in a semi-discharged state. And a semi-discharged battery is a dying battery. Heat. If you live in cities with high temperatures, extreme heat becomes your battery's biggest enemy. High temperatures accelerate chemical reactions inside the battery. Fluids evaporate, plates corrode faster, and internal damage occurs more quickly. Ironically, people blame cold weather. Yes, winter exposes weak batteries, but heat silently destroys them first. Electrical load. Modern cars are no longer simple machines. They are computers on wheels. Touchscreens, cameras, sensors, USB chargers, dash cams, amplifiers. Every extra accessory consumes power. If you install aftermarket sound systems or bright LED lights without upgrading your battery capacity, you create imbalance. The battery struggles. Parasitic drain. Even when your car is off, some systems remain active. Clock memory, ECU modules, alarms. Normally the drain is minimal, but faulty wiring or cheap accessories can create abnormal drain overnight. Result? Morning start, click, click, click. Dead battery. Maintenance. Most drivers never check battery terminals. Corrosion builds up. White powdery deposits block current flow. The battery works harder, resistance increases, and performance drops. And then people say, the battery is bad. No, maintenance is bad. Many believe that expensive batteries last longer, but lifespan depends more on usage patterns than brand. You could install a premium battery and still ruin it in 18 months with poor driving habits. On the other hand, a properly maintained battery in balanced conditions can easily last 4 years or more. So why does the 1 to 2 year narrative exist? Because most cars operate under harsh conditions. Extreme heat traffic jams, short urban drives, poor electrical modifications, irregular maintenance. Combine all that, and even a good battery struggles. Signs your battery is dying: slow engine crank, dim headlights at idle dashboard, warning lights, frequent jump starts, electrical glitches. These are not sudden problems. They are warnings. Now imagine this. You are late for work. You sit in your car, turn the key, nothing. Silence. That's not bad luck. That's accumulated neglect. Batteries prefer consistency. Longer drives, once or twice a week, help recharge fully. Keeping terminals clean improves efficiency. Checking water level in non-maintenance-free batteries prevents plate damage. Turning off accessories before engine shutdown reduces strain. Small habits, massive impact. People often think a battery is just a replaceable item, so they don't respect it. But without a battery, your car is just metal. No ignition, no electronics, no fuel injection system startup. It is the heart of your vehicle's electrical system. And hearts don't fail randomly. They fail due to stress. Technology is improving. A GM and EFB batteries are designed for start-stop systems and higher durability. But even advanced batteries require correct charging voltage and balanced electrical load. One more hidden factor, alternator health. If your alternator undercharges, the battery never fills properly. If it overcharges, the battery overheats internally. Both drastically reduce lifespan. Yet many replace the battery without checking the alternator. Cycle repeats. Money wasted. Let's break the cycle. If you truly want 3 to 5 years from your battery, avoid frequent ultra-short drives. Clean terminals every few months. Check charging voltage. Avoid unnecessary aftermarket load. Park in shade whenever possible. Start the car at least once every few days if unused. These are not complex hacks. They are awareness. Because the truth is simple. A battery is not weak, it's sensitive. Treat it carelessly, it dies early. Treat it correctly, it serves quietly for years. And maybe the biggest lesson isn't about batteries at all. It's about responsibility. Machines don't fail us. We fail machines. So next time someone says, car batteries only last 1 to 2 years, ask them, what are you doing with your battery? Because the difference between 18 months and 5 years is not luck. It's knowledge. And now you have it. Drive smarter, maintain better, and never let a silent killer sit under your hood again.